Hi, I'm back. Okay, today I'm going to cook a prawn. I'm going to cook a cereal prawn. Okay, everything I already get ready so fast. The prawns or shrimp, it's already marinated, and I already clean and devein. Take out all the thing, and then I marinate with egg, flour, salt, pepper, and one egg. So I'm doing. So now I'm going to, and I'm using the tempura flour. It's tempura flour. Yeah, you can use normal flour if you want, but since I have tempura flour, so I might as well use it. So now our oil is hot. I'm going to dip my prawn here in the butter here. The flour that I already mixed. I didn't put anything in this tempura flour because everything is ready.
So first you have to fry the prawns. You fry the prawns and then it's very fast in chopping.
I did not really use the big pot because it will consume lots of oil and I'm not cooking a lot. So in here, the pan, another pan here, another. So I'm going to add in the butter. Okay, the ingredients for this cereal prawns is of course prawns or shrimp we call it, and chopped garlic, and this is the curry leaves and butter. Okay, now it means we have the butter. Just put the butter here. So, and the cereal, this is the cereal. This is a healthy one. So, this good. So, we need to fry the garlic with lots of butter. Okay. Fry the garlic with the butter. And this one is ready here. Okay, now our prawns already done. We fry everything. Now I'm going to cut all these things. So you slowly add into the already brown our garlic and our curry leaves. So into this one, make sure to very slowly the fire when you add in this cereal. Okay.
It's not enough, and then maybe we can add more. One more. Okay, so in here butter and garlic, fried garlic, curry leaves. If you cannot get curry leaves, so never mind, don't put curry leaves. So just like this, fry slowly. And because this is already sweet, this one, so you need just to add salt. Nice. It's already nice right now. A bit higher the fire. So just stir fry slowly. Fry until what? Turn until like
Golden brown. Yeah, and it become more very crispy. So add in this one. Okay, it's getting brown now. So we just add in, just pour in this one. So just like this, guys. Slowly, because all the crumbs will go up. All over the fire, you know. So our cereal prawn is done. cereal prawns done. This is crispy and sweet. So it's already seasoned the prawns, so I didn't season them anymore. Okay. So thanks for watching and God bless. Bye.